All right, so we're in the trade. I forgot to record hopping in. I really didn't have time. If we can break above this zone here, then what I'll do is either tighten my stop loss or go break even. But we're looking at, realistically, the first TP will be here, and then ultimately we're looking to go take it all the way back to the weekly zone, which will be somewhere around the 1.33200 level. So hopefully we can push, risking on this trade in particular, risking about $15 or so. I did hop in a trade before going to bed. That trade didn't work out, unfortunately, so lost a little bit of money there. For the $100 account, at least we're back at $64 in the account. But just to break the trade down on the higher time frame, so this is a trade where I don't really want to hold that long. Hopefully it works out in our favor. So it is a counter trend trade based off of the weekly. There's a lot of wicks to the upside, which is a signal that we could continue to sell. And then when it drop down to the daily, same thing. Nice wick to the upside. 2 days ago, we had a nice little bullish candle. But then yesterday, we had a little rejection. Still, we could continue up, but we're definitely on a downtrend at this point. Same with the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we made our lower low. The only thing that made me confident in this trade is just the fact that this area here, we've seen a lot of activity. We've been respecting this zone for quite some time now. So that gives me a little bit of confidence that we will be respecting again. And then I can just go ahead and try to get a quick buy. The 1 hour, nice rejection to the downside. So that played a big role into my decision with placing the buy. And then on the hourly, we pretty much we're creating a trend. So we have a trend line. So we do have some liquidity, trend line liquidity that's been forming. So I do see that now. And then as well on the higher time frame, we have some liquidity this way as well. So in all, I would like to see this push back up to at least here or here. Ideally, I would like it to go back up to here. Let's see, we're coming up on that first TP that I mentioned, which will be on the hourly. So it'll be right here. This will be that first TP that we're approaching. It's funny because earlier this morning, last night, this same exact pair, I saw an opportunity last night that I typically don't take. I like to wait regardless, but I wanted to take advantage if possible. So I took an opportunity further down here, and I tightened my stop loss once I got in profit, and then I eventually, as you can see, came back, hit me out here. So that was where the first loss came in. And then I saw that, okay, it was just a retest. Another opportunity was showing that we could be potentially pushing again. And that's where we're at now. Again, got to be real careful. Don't want to give back a lot of money, really any money, back to the markets at this point. So what can I do now? I could trail the stop loss. So I'd rather get hit out than to give back all this money. If we don't get hit out with the trailing stop loss, then it looks like we could see our first TP get hit. Yeah, all right, so just got hit out of that trade. I'll take that for sure. So that was a 20, I think it was like $22. $22 trade on a $100 account.